How to see all the games that you have played on Roblox mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to visit all the recent activity of games and places that you have visited on Roblox, here is what can be done. First of all, head over to Play Store to search for Roblox and update the app to the latest version. Once that is done, launch the application by tapping on the play button. Then log in into your account using your credentials. Then after on the bottom right corner, tap on the three dots written as more. Then after from the list, search for profile and tap on it. Slide towards the end of the page and you will see full profile button. Tap on it. Once that is done, scroll to the bottom again and you will see various sections on this. You will have to tap on the favorite section and tap on the right arrow which is on the side. Once you tap on it, you can select the category from places, accessories, animations, classic clothings, and much more. This way, under places, you can visit or check the games that you have played on Roblox mobile. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.